Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bernard Poussot, Prix Galien USA Committee Chair for the Digital Health, Startup, and Incubator Accelerator categories.
Let me tell you what a pleasure, I repeat, what a pleasure it is to be in front of this audience. I'm told we are 750 plus tonight, so close to the COVID problem. I think it's remarkable, and I suggest we dedicate this evening to our vaccine manufacturers, our antivirals manufacturers, and our diagnostic testing manufacturers. But more than the number of guests, I think what's remarkable is the amount and diversity of talents and knowledge that's in this room. And I think also I should salute the relentless energy of our scientists and executives in our industry who pursue the mission of delivering improvements to the human condition. Don't you feel the energy of this team? Don't you feel it? Naturally, I will not miss the opportunity being on stage now in front of you to congratulate all the winners of the previous sessions and those who will receive their awards in a few moments. Now, what I'd like to do succinctly, I swear, is walk you through the Galien Innovation Awards that Penny Heaton and I had the distinct honor to reveal earlier this afternoon. Our jury awards 5 categories, 3 in the best startup categories in biotechnology, medtech, and digital health. Are you sure you're hearing me well? Enough? The 4th category is Best Digital Health Solution. And the last one is the Best Incubator, Accelerator, Equity Venture. Now, this last category is new for this year. And of course, we introduce it to recognize the tremendous support that accelerators and incubators play in support of startup companies. We should have done it earlier. Our mission with the Galien Innovation Awards is to celebrate the potential of your innovations, to shed light on the true heroes who prepare the therapies for the 2030s, and also to highlight the power of strong partnerships at the right time. So, distinguishing the winners in these categories is not a small task, and it's also a humbling task for the jury. We assembled a jury whose members need no introduction, owing to their impact on our industry, shaping it, having presided over the development and successful introductions of many products. Their amazing collective experience in signing, licensing, and acquisitions. All together, by the way, the companies represented by this jury have collected more than 1/3 of the Galien prizes. 1/3. That's above 175 Galien Awards. So I cannot thank enough the members of this jury who each and every year spend their time pro bono to evaluate and select our 5 winners. And we have an extraordinary list of nominees. Let me briefly introduce to you my esteemed colleagues from the jury with this short video.
Bernard Poussot, Director of Roche Holding, former Chairman and CEO Wyeth, Committee Chair. Roch d'Oliva, Honorary CEO UCB. Michael Dolston, Global R&D President Pfizer. Jean-Pierre Garnier, former CEO GSK. Alex Gorski, former CEO and Executive Chairman Johnson & Johnson. Penny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head IDV, Vaccines, Janssen Pharmaceuticals R&D. Sherry McCoy, Board of Directors, AstraZeneca. Chair of the Board, Certara. François Maison-Rouge, Senior Managing Director, Evercore Partners. Joel Marcus, Executive Chairman and Founder, Alexandria Real Estate Equities Incorporated, Alexandria Venture Investments. Elias Zerhouni, former Head of Global R&D, Sanofi.
So, as you saw for each category, it became necessary to assemble an advisory board to pre-screen all applications and simplify the work of the jury. So I want to recognize in your presence the members of these advisory boards who did a fantastic job this year. Some are in this room, so heartfelt thanks and congratulations from me. For this year, the nominees are among a record-breaking number of submissions, north of 65, representing different parts of the world, covering more than 12 therapeutic classes. The quality of the submissions was remarkable, making our work as a jury extremely thrilling but challenging. Why? Because it involves the future. We're dealing with technologies that represent the medicine of the future. So congratulations to all nominees. Let me now ask Penny Heaton to come up on stage with me to distinguish the 5 winners and present their awards. Penny will then offer her concluding remarks to our session. Now, to the point, let us show you, thank you. Let us show you the nominees who were running for each category and reveal the 5 winners. We'll do it through a video that was built this afternoon and that will take no more than 2 minutes. Watch.
On October 27, 2022, from 12:30 to 2 p.m., the Galien Foundation and Business France hosted the award ceremony for the Prix Galien USA in the following categories: Best Digital Health Solution, Best Incubators, Accelerators, and Equity, and Best Startups in Pharma, Biotech, MedTech, and Digital Health. The ceremony was held at the Alexandria Center during the Galien Forum. The Prix Galien Best Digital Health Solution honors the best digital health resources to help deliver quality, affordable, and equitable care, improving human lives. The winner in this category is Excentia, which developed the first ever functional precision oncology platform to successfully guide treatment selection and improve patient outcomes in a prospective interventional clinical study. The Prix Galien Incubators, Accelerators, and Equity acknowledges the role played by these institutions in guiding the next wave of innovators by offering a range of mentoring skills and resources. The winner in this category is BioLabs Lab Central, an international membership-based network of shared lab and office facilities located in key biotech innovation clusters. The Prix Galien Startup rewards and supports emerging innovation worldwide. It announces 3 winners in 3 subcategories. The 2022 Best Startup in Pharmaceutical or Biotechnology Industry Award goes to Orion Biotech, with its patented cell therapy treatment for corneal endothelial disease, one of the first clinically validated cell therapies for corneal care. The 2022 Best Startup in the Medical Technologies Industry Award goes to Quantum Surgical, with its new category of robots called Epion. which standardizes interventional oncology procedures, enabling more targeted and less invasive cancer treatments. The 2022 Best Startup in the Digital Health Industry Award goes to Achille Interactive, pioneer in the development of cognitive treatments through personalized digital therapeutic solution. Thank you to all nominees for your valuable contribution to the life science industry to patients' benefit.
So may I call all the winners to join us on stage now, please. And please congratulate them as they come up. Congratulations again. Thank you so much. And now I invite Penny Heaton to conclude this session. Thank you.
Okay, so the words that you have been wanting to hear, first of all, let's please congratulate once again our 2022 winners who represent the very future of our industry. Excentia, Biolabs Lab Central, Orion Therapeutics, Quantum Surgical, and Achille Interactive. A big round of applause, please. And now for the words you may have been listening for. To conclude, we would like to thank the Galien Foundation for their tremendous support. These prizes, these awards, they do reveal just the hard work and the achievements of our industry. It's really incredible. And they do so in a way that really represents the utmost of rigor and an indisputable process. So thank you, Galien. We appreciate this recognition for our industry. And I also just want to take a moment at the very end here to congratulate all of you, every one of you, for the amazing work that you are achieving. And with that, have a lovely evening and enjoy your dinner and the time with friends and colleagues.
Before discovering the laureates of the 2022 Prix Galien USA, we wish to send a special thank you to those who have devoted their support and enthusiasm and spared no effort and worked night and day to contribute to the success of the Galien Forum and Awards ceremony. Laetitia Parienti, Brigitte and Guy Nawi, Raylyn Campbell, Arnaud Lecaz, Fabrice Chiche, Lydie Caudron, Robin Welbers, Andre Lamy, Sam Geiger, Simon Deschennes, Laurie Seeby, Ted Alamayu. Last, but certainly not the least, the advisory board members of the Galien Foundation. Philippe Chasson, Zev Scherl, John Moore, Gilles Bache, Cynthia Ekberg-Tsai, Sherry Gersten, Mark Goldstone, William Looney, Brian Spielman.